My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the new adware type application called AdvancedHelper. AdvancedHelper is a special adware type program from the AdLoad family. This software, once installed, starts to display the tremendous amount of intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that users visit. This AdvancedHelper adware, by the way, attacks Mac computers only. It injects its roots specifically into Safari browser, even though other browsers may be affected too. This this application called AdvancedHelper, is distributed through fake software or browser update alerts. So we recommend you to be extremely careful not to tolerate this adware. If you have found its presence on the system, you need to right-click on this application and move it to the trash. I also recommend that you carefully examine the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and start researching the system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.